Okay, Jerry Service Center here again. So we're changing a clutch shift on a BT50. As the drive shaft is out, it's a four-wheel drive, so it carrying two pieces of drive shaft, the long one and the short one. The drive shaft consists of drive shaft crosses or universal joints. That's the name for it, right? So one to the front, one to the middle, and the next one down to the end. Now that's for the main drive shaft. On the middle of the drive shaft carries a center bearing rubber, right? That carries a bearing. Now when that bad or it shakes, it will give you a vibration, an acceleration, or when you're taking off. So what the technician doing here is inspecting all the universal joints or the cross to ensure there is no shake and ensure that they're moving smooth. If they're biting or they're kind of moving kind of rough, that means they run out of grease and it needs to be replaced, or well, most likely it wouldn't need grease, and if it's biting you have to change it. Biting, I mean like a kind of hard spot in movements, right? That's what you're checking there right now. So even if they're good, we'll grease them and we'll go back. This short drive shaft is for the four-wheel drive, carries two on this one. Now these two drive shaft cross is sealed, which means they have no grease nipple, and you look on the main drive shaft. Yeah, on the main drive shaft, there are nipples on those that can be greased. Alright, so on this unit here you will find it have a little harsh movements on it. Alright, we'll recommend to get that one replaced. If you look at the other end, so smooth the other end is moving. Right, so you see that one moving a little bit too free, a little shake on it, so we'll recommend that to replace. The other two is moving good, so no movements on those, so we'll reuse those.